Well, we're at the Brickworks and it's fucking windy. This place is huge. Absolutely huge. The guys are already inside setting up. Gotta try and find them. So, shenanigans. Loads of stuff's getting broken. It's windy as hell, so any roof gaps are impossible, but that just makes it more fun, I think. Broken stuff, we managed to repair it, that's good. And yeah, that's having he's been ripping it, but he's taken some damage. So definitely go check him out.
At the moment, there's lots of carnage. I've not seen so much crashing before.
Carnage is the word I've used probably about 3 times.
Really?
Oh, shit. Oh. Speaking of carnage, here comes that.
No, it's Darren's nice post throw. Guys, I'm not going to throw this one, I'm going to break
shit!
Oh, the fuck?
loneliness, a little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. I am what I want you to want, what I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do, face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got. I can't feel the way I did before, don't turn your back on me, I won't be ignored, time won't change this damage anymore, don't turn your back on me, I won't be ignored. I'm a little bit insecure, a little unconfident, cause you don't understand to do what I can, but sometimes I don't make sense. I am what you never want to say, but I've never had a doubt. It's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you for once just to hear me out. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do, face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got.